You searched how to buy shares of Sui Group Holdings Ltd. Sui Group is a blockchain technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SUIG. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy SUIG, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you'll verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SUIG to locate the listing. Make sure the company name matches Sui Group Holdings Ltd. before opening the asset page. On the asset page, review the basic company profile and the price chart for SUIG. Confirm the stock symbol and that the exchange is NASDAQ to ensure it's the correct share. Tap Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before finalizing. After confirmation, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same example.